This SAT question is listed as difficult, but it's actually pretty easy if you just take it part by part. In the figure, AC equals CD, so this side AC is congruent to CD. The measure of angle EBC is 45 degrees. The measure of angle ACD is 104 degrees. What is the value of x? X is right down here. We know that the internal angles of a triangle always will add up to 180 degrees. We can figure out what this angle is here and this angle is here, and we can use that to figure out what x is. So first, I'm going to look at the blue lines I drew. This must be an isosceles triangle, because if two sides of a triangle are the same, it's an isosceles triangle and the opposite two angles are also the same. So the angle across from AC, which is angle D, will have the same measure as the angle across from CD, which is angle A. Those two angles are equivalent. We can call them y, and we know that this angle here at the top is 104. So that's also a triangle, meaning that this angle 104 plus the other two angles, so that's plus y, same as plus 2y, will add up to 180. If we want to solve for y, we just subtract 104 from both sides, and that would give us that 2y is equal to 76. And if you divide both sides by 2, you can figure out what just 1y is, which would be 38. This angle here is 38 degrees. Now we just need to find this angle at the top of this small triangle. This angle that we need to find forms a vertical angle with the angle across from it. When two lines intersect, the opposite angles are called vertical angles, and they have the same angle measure. If we can figure out what this angle is, then we'll know what this angle is. We can do that using this 45 and this 104. The 104 forms what's called a linear pair with this angle ACB. Basically, ACD and ACB add up to a straight line, and a straight line will have an angle measure of 180 degrees. So 180 equals 104 plus this angle here. Let's call it A for angle. 104 plus A makes 180. Subtract 104 from both sides. We get that A is 76. This angle we don't know. We can call that one Z. 76 plus 45 plus Z would add up to 180. It's also a triangle. 76 plus 45 would give us 121 plus Z equals 180. To get Z alone, you just subtract 121 from both sides. That gives us that Z is equal to 59 degrees. This Z is 59 degrees, then the Z across from it is also 59 degrees. Now we have that this angle, Y, is 38 degrees. This angle is 59 degrees, and we can use that to solve for X, because 38 plus 59 plus X is going to add up to 180. 38 plus 59, well 30 plus 50 is 80, plus 8 plus 9 is 17, 80 plus 17 is 97. 97 plus X equals 180. Subtract 97 from both sides. That gives us that X is equal to 83 degrees. So really the main thing they're testing here is that all of the angles in a triangle add up to 180, that isosceles triangles will have two equal angles across from the equal sides, and that a linear pair would also add up to 180 degrees.